Shanghai. We from Nanjing, Upper Shanghai, all the way down to southern of China, Guangxi, Hong Kong. Then we find proof here that can read. This one we don't have in the PowerPoint. So I can read here. We find one certain family, Kelly, the Tang Wang, Nancy Tang Wang, wife Secha. They were in Nanjing, Nanjing, Pasiwan, Sento. They put 88,000 northern location northern in Nanjing. That's you see daily the sun the Tang Thai Nilong and went down to Guangdong. Went down to Guangdong from up there other picture. Yeah, you see, they have four Chinese tractor down there, and very white top is Nanjing. Very white top is Nanjing. They moved down to the south of China before Yuan dynasty. 1,000 from now. They moved Nanjing to down one group along by boat, bamboo boat already. You see the picture boat. So they go all the way down. Look like they want to go to Taiwan, but they cannot cross the ocean. They way down to Chaozhou, you see the arrow point to the middle of map down there. And that's the Chaozhou Leqiang County. That's we moved from Nanjing to Chaozhou Leqiang, the first stop. Stay there many decades here, and people speak Cantonese, because right now, Union people, they mostly speak Cantonese, Brazilian people that's many decades here, and then they moved out from the Chaozhou Leqiang. They moved out. So for right now, they don't have any family there. Only Han people. So they moved out to inside China. One group go to Qinjiang. You see the point of Qinjiang. One group moved to Meissen. One group moved down to Yunnan, southwest of China. So that we moved all the way down to the point, you see, all point to the Yunnan, to middle right, middle left, and that one go that way. People in Vietnam union with the brand from the border of China. So, one group go to Vietnam, one group go to Laos, Mong La, Si Suông Ba Nàn, Yunnan province. And they go down to Si Suông Ba Nàn. from Mengla. I think that time it still look like a Lao land. Now we come to China. But it's a Lao land become China. They call Mengla. Some people say Menglai. And then you see the point, go down. They have dog store in there, so they have million people in there. Even in China, in outside Burma and Thailand and Hainan, little bit island down there, in island in the Hainan. Okay, for our family, they move. Okay, they have so we know the roots of Sally Bean family from China since the history. So we have first one here, Tai Ching Yalom. Okay, he in Yunnan, Wonsan County. This is Yunnan. Thai Seng in Guangxi, Guangxi province, Zhojiang River, Zhojiang River, Taiwei, Nilong. In China, Guangxi province and Fu City. Thái Hình Long này đối với thảo này đối với Yunnan Thái Hình in Quảng Xi Tổ Phế Tô Phú Yunnan Tổ Yunnan trên phim ta bố tế Yunnan Brand trên phim ta vừa đầu quay không Yunnan của Yunnan Family trên Yunnan Brand nha cái brand trước nha Ú Thái Quế ở Thái Tăng Yên Quảng Xi Tổ Phế Trấn Phu Yunnan Province Quảng Xi Yunnan Province Thái Tăng Thái Quế Phế Long anh nghe bùi Phú Chiêu Yunnan Sen Yunnan Province is a Yunnan Province Wonsan Seri cái kia với kim sử nhàn với cái với kim sử nhàn family the brand this type with Silong is son number 4 kim sử nhàn với cái lệ on chết lòng còn đất chỉ còn đất xuống còn đất chỉ bây giờ là quân nhà nhưng thay thôn nhiều lòng thay thôn phán lòng những cái buổi hiểu trùng sinh we have first they have Mr. name they have other name here Taman and Yunnan province Yunnan province Liên Xuôi Seri Thailand Biết Long his name Quân Phong Út dùn là Thái Thôn là Thọ Yêm Yunnan Sáng still in Yunnan Seri Lê Liêm he moved to Mengla can move to Mengla move to Mengla yeah Mengla Mengla Lão Mengla under thing. Yeah, this one we took China to we have named China, moved China down to Mangla. Now we step on Mangla. Lerium and Titan, they step on Mangla. They go from China, Xizong up from 20 Yunnan to Mangla. And then I don't know how long they've been there because they don't have what they don't know what year they move out. So the meantime I think still now then. Many people say Mangla, same thing. The guy went Thailand, Lerium Gelong, he died in Mangla. To Thaitan is wrong. The guy moved from Mangla across the river, Mekong River to Thailand. To Thailand and Mengnan province, that will be living in Mengnan province. Thaitan named called Wen Kwon. Why Thailand have one group over there? To Kwon. They live behind Thailand for a long time, since they moved from China. And I look at the map, Thaitan, they moved to Thailand and Mengwan province, Mengwan province, Thaitan. And maybe, I don't know how long they've been in Thailand. They moved back, Thaitan, or Thaitan moved back to Uquan, Uquan, they moved to Laos, back to Laos. Have you been there? Laos, yeah. They moved back to Laos country. And Uquan will be in Thailand, Mengnan province, Thaitan. Thai Yang, they live in Thailand. So for us, Thai Yang and Thaitan grandfather, they live in Laos for since 1886 maybe. And one group one they stay in Thailand, they move from Thailand, China to Thailand. They don't move anywhere, only Thai Yang, they move back to Laos. Now, we move back to Thailand again for our family. Thai Yang, Yao Ta, and Khao Dao Vân Hò Bố Cùng Qua, Lê Phạ Con, Bố Y Ngoa, Tôi Dao Vân Hò Bố Thế Này, Cùng Ngoa Thế Dạ, Bố Cùng Ngoa Nhi, The Brand, okay, Thai Yang, and Kiêm Choi, Family, The Brand, Yao Pu, and Yao Ta. Yao Pu, the two brothers, the brand. That's why one Xiu family will be in Yao Pu. Okay? And that's why I know when Titan live to Xiu Ta here and here. And in Lao country, in Nam Hong Phu, Tùng, Quỳ Lũ, Con Đệ, Đài nè. So now, being the brother, Kim Chi. For this information, there's a book, how old a book? 100 years, I don't know. So my dad carried the book, Kim Chi. So I look this one and translate from here. Yeah. Maybe 100 years old. Yeah. And now they have we miss you Kimwa. Let's see Kimwa. The first one is my dad or Kim Chi. Kim Chi, he's different father. And grandma to move home. My grandma to move home. I wrote down there, say my father is Kim Fu Chi. That's Kim Chi father. Okay, because Fu Xiu get married my grandma. My daddy only 7 years old. They call follow mother, Tod Kan, same mother. The next one, the Kim Fei, his father is Kim Fu Xiu Ta and Mi Fung. Next one, the first one, Kim To. My mother is Kim Fu Xiu Ta. And my mom and Mi Fung. Kim Quang, the fourth one, Kim Quang. My mother is Fu Xiu Ta. My father is Xiu Ta. And my mother is Mi Fung. The fifth one, Kim Hin. Same parent. Fu Xiu and Mi Fung. And that all you know. For we don't got generation one. Okay. So go on. Let's see. Reunion. 2007. Okay. This one. For 2007, we have a family reunion in Sacramento. That time, 2007, yes. And we will have a few family will show up, and this go for 2007. Today will be 10 years. We meet here today again. I hope everybody understand where we came from. Today we learn about who are you, where you come from. So you might learn something, say, children, grandson, everything. They might have in school, they might have trouble like that. I don't know where we come, I don't know where they come from. I don't know where my great-father came from. So, for young generation, should know about that. We can't say we from Thailand only. Thailand temporary. Now we cross 4 countries. Okay, China, Laos, Thailand, America. 1970, when we in Thailand, in Laos, moved to Thailand. Why? Because Vietnam War, we run away from communism. That's why we here. In that time, I don't think any American I have to be in America. We don't think like that. But now we here. I don't know. So that was politicians. We ran away from them. That's all. And I hope the young generation maybe understand that. One more thing, we try to write a book from 1,000 years from now. We want to write a book for family history, include today. Do you have anything you want to add in? So we need somebody help. We need family who want volunteer to write a book. So while we would generation still here, still know about the history, so we can forget and the system while we here. So even birth, even anything we still know what they find out, how to live, how to survive. So we can forget. And second thing, I want to know, tell all union people in China they have 1,000 clans in China, but work union in 12 clans inside. So, Set Chow is number 1. Set Chin, Set Chu, Set Li is number 4 in Bai Jia Si. Yeah, the Bai Jia Si I got put here. Okay, thank you. I invite any young generation come up here to get anything to say, talk, or something I miss, something I don't mention. So I would like you to add in and talk about our family. How come the turn around Thailand go down and come back and 2-3 times? One group is still in Thailand. So I want anyone, your fault or go by. I will talk a little bit Myanmar.